The deadliest type of motorcycle accident took the life of a 21-year-old son. Hi, I'm Paul Hernandez, attorney at Kalfus and Nachman, litigating cases throughout Virginia and North Carolina. What is the deadliest motorcycle accident? Is it caused by speeding? No. Is it caused by changing lanes? No. The deadliest motorcycle accident is when a motorcycle rider is moving in one direction and an automobile is coming from the opposite direction. And the automobile turns left in front of that motorcycle rider, causing a crash. The motorcycle rider must make a split decision to try to avoid the wreck. Does he lay down the bike? Does he try to swerve around the car? Sadly, neither is a good choice, and more times than not, the motorcycle rider is either killed or catastrophically injured. I do not call crashes like this an accident, because using the word accident sounds like nobody's at fault. It just happens. It was an accident. These type of tragedies are not caused by accident. It is caused by bad driver judgment. The driver of the car did not keep a proper lookout to see what could be seen. There is no question that the motorcycle rider was present in his lane. It is proven by the fact that there was a crash. When a driver fails to see what can be seen and fails to yield to the lawful operation of a motorcycle, the automobile driver is negligent and responsible for the crash. However, when the driver is questioned about how the crash occurred, these negligent drivers always seem to say the same things. They say that they never saw the motorcycle before the crash, and then they make up an excuse that the motorcycle rider must have been speeding because the motorcycle came out of nowhere. The problem is the automobile driver never saw the motorcycle, so they cannot testify about the speed of the bike. These types of crashes are 100% preventable. The turning automobile driver must stop, give a proper lookout, and not make that turn until they are certain that it is clear to do so. You may be wondering why I'm telling you about this. I'm telling you about this because either you or someone you care about may have been in a crash like this and you need help. You need help of an experienced motorcycle riding attorney to get the maximum compensation for this crash. So what I want you to do is pick up the phone and call me, Paul Hernandez at Kalfus and Nachman at 888-HURT-LINE. The number again, 888-487-8546, because I can help. Thanks for watching, and make sure to forward this video to other riders that need this help.